So if you look down at the rev counter, which is at 0 when you're in electric, even if you're moving along, which is always a bit weird, you can see the gearbox changing. So you can see it going through the gears, 2, 3, 4, as you build up momentum. So unlike a full EV that traditionally has 1 or 2 gears at the most, this car still has 8 gears when you're in electrical mode, and that really helps with efficiency, and it helps it get up to those higher speeds. When you turn this toggle 1 click clockwise, you then go into hybrid mode, and that's a very intelligent mode, and a mode that I'd probably spend most of my time in if I had this particular car. In hybrid mode, it works between the combustion engine and the electrical motors. And in fact, if you're using your nav, so let's say I've put in a destination that's 50 miles away, I've got a full charge of 30 odd miles, so it wouldn't get there on electrical only, but the car will work out the most efficient way of getting there, so that when I get to my end destination, I've basically used all of my electrical energy and as little fuel as possible. Your next setting is sport, and when you turn that, the combustion engine fires up. And in fact, when you're in sport or sport plus, which is the next mode, the car will aim to charge up the batteries when you don't need the electrical motors, by which I mean if you're just using, let's say, 40, 50, 60% of the combustion engine's power and torque, then it will do its best to charge up the battery power. And in fact, you can tell the car how much charge you want in that battery unit. But then when you put your foot down and you call upon 100% of all the energy that's available, it will then stop charging those batteries, and it will give you that electrical energy along with the combustion engine. So it's very, very clever.